Well, this just came in. The new EDC light. We're gonna give it a try. But here we go. Alright, this is my new Olight I just ordered, came in. Here's all your specs. And let's see what we got. Ooh. The magnet recharge station. And there it is. The Arkfeld comes with a laser pointer and flashlight up to 1,000 lumens. If we turn it to the laser beam, there we go. And then you got the different stages of light. So you got low, medium, wait. You got low, hold, medium, hold, turbo. Back to low. So it's low, hold, medium, hold, turbo. Not bad. Need to get a night shot. Let's see from there. Not a bad light. This one I got in the cool white. The Olight Arkfeld comes with a laser pointer. Press to turn it on. Press to turn it off. Switch it over to flashlight. Press the turbo. Off. On and off to press. Switch to different modes. You got on, press and hold. And there's your different lights. And then on, quick 3 presses, 1, 2, 3, and you get your strobe. Not too heavy. Got your charge port, magnetic charge port. Here. Get this right. There we go. Pretty good hold on it. Belt clip. Pretty nice flashlight. Give her a night shot and see how it does. Green light for ready. Here you go. Bam. Alright, so now it is nighttime, so use it out. There we go. And then you get your laser pointer. Beep. And your strobes. Overall, it is a nice little flashlight. I'll be adding it to my everyday carry. Give it a shot. Let me know what you guys think, and let me know if you want to see more content like this.